In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new blank base in Airtable on mobile. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized starting point for your projects, ready to customize exactly how you like. First, open the Airtable app on your device. Give it a moment to load your workspaces and recent bases. From the main screen, look to the top right and tap the plus button. This is your shortcut to starting something new. On the creation screen, choose Start with a blank base. We're going with a blank base so you can build from scratch without any preset fields or tables. It's perfect when you already know what you want to track or you prefer to design your structure step by step. Next, select a location or a workspace. A workspace is simply where your base will live. Think of it as a folder shared with your team or kept for your personal projects. Choose the workspace where you want the space to be stored. If you collaborate with others, make sure you pick the correct team workspace so the right people can access it. Now look for the default base name, often shown as Untitled Base. Tap the small drop-down arrow beside it. This opens up the naming option so you can make the base your own. Enter a clear descriptive name that makes its purpose obvious at a glance. For example, include the project, department, or date range if it helps you and your team stay organized. Good naming saves time later when you're scanning through multiple bases. While you're here, you can also choose a color and an icon if you want. These visual cues make it much easier to spot your base quickly, especially in a busy workspace. Pick a color you haven't used for similar projects to avoid confusion and select an icon that represents the base's purpose. It's a small touch that has a big impact on navigation and clarity. When everything looks good, the workspace is correct, the name is set, and your color and icon are chosen. Tap Done in the top right. Airtable will create your base immediately and open it so you can begin building out tables and fields whenever you're ready. That's it. You opened the Airtable app, tapped the plus button, started with a blank base, chose the right workspace, named it, customized its look, and tapped Done to create it. You now have a fresh, well-labeled foundation to organize your work exactly the way you need.